Okay, here is the web page. As you can see, it's going to update itself every 0.8 seconds. It's going to update. It's going to look for something new. If something new comes up, you see how it's white and this is gray. If I click on this, it opens a new tab and that turns gray. That's white. If I click on it and I come back, it's gray. If I click on this, come back, it's gray. See how these are white? If I click on it, it turns gray. All of these, right? Click, 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 click. No more. Now, we wait. If new one comes up, it will be white. Then it should be clicked. Just waiting for new one. Still waiting for new one. Yep. Okay. See, new one is here. So click. Now gray. Like that.